It's now time for the business day. The World Bank says developing countries spent a record $1.4 trillion to service their foreign debt. In its latest international debt report, it was revealed that interest payments surged by nearly a third to $406 billion, squeezing the budgets of many developing countries in critical areas such as health, education, and the environment. According to the report, the financial strain was fiercest for the poorest and most vulnerable countries, which paid a record $96.2 billion to service their debt in 2023. The global interest rates have since begun to subside, although they are expected to remain above the average that prevailed in the decade before COVID-19. Tourism Minister Ed Bartlett estimates that 45,000 visitors from Latin America and the Caribbean will come to Jamaica this winter season. With the resumption of services by Latam Airlines to Jamaica from Lima, Peru.
Latam is regarded as, and I'm sure that they're not really flattered by this, but they accept it in tow and move on, that Latam is the American Airlines of South America. Latam covers all the bases, and even though we recognize that there are some areas of South America to be touched, we know that most areas of South America are touched by Latam. But utilizing the Lima gateway, the Lima hub, makes it even more exciting, because now we are not only feeding from Latam into Lima, but Lima is being fed by other airlines that will now use Latam to come to Jamaica.
The flights will operate 3 times weekly, Thursdays, Saturdays and Sundays. It will provide connections with Peru's domestic network as well as several South American countries, including Argentina, Bolivia, Brazil, Chile, Paraguay and Uruguay.
This flight of Latam is also improving our bilateral relations. Not only in a way that, because the people is knowing more about Jamaican customs and different processes here, the folklore of Jamaica, that is very important in order to meet different countries.
To the foreign exchange market, trading ended today with banks and Cambio selling the US dollar for an average $157.59. The Canadian dollar is selling for $111.79. The pound is going for $202.15, while the euro is selling for an average $167.22. The JC index declined by 540 points today, while the junior market index advanced by 19 points. There was trading in 116 stocks, of which 57 advanced and 44 declined. Among the 57 winners were MPC Caribbean Clean Energy US dollar shares, Medical Disposables and Supplies, Iron Rock Insurance, Innovative Energy Group, and Knutsford Express. The 44 decliners included Cygnus Credit Investments 8% shares, Access Finance Services, Epley 7.5% shares, and Panjam Jamaican Group. 15 stocks closed the session at the same price they started trading. And that's it for the business day.